UP ADG Law and Order Mukul Goyal says there is no guarantee that riots will not happen in Uttar Pradesh. Now we have our correspondent Amir Haq joining me on the phone line. Amir, this is an explosive statement coming from a top cop, and this too after 62 people have died in that riot.
Vedika, and this is the third time in the last 18 months or so that ADG of the level of the police officer of the level of ADG Law and Order has been changed in UP, and Mukul Goyal has recently assumed responsibility in this chair, and he ought to be making some more responsible statements. But yesterday, what he said, in terms of UP police getting control over the law and order, and that it is almost next to impossible to contain such riots from happening, and that he cannot guarantee that such riots will not happen in future is an atrocious statement, because the UP police has taken a lot of beating over the last so many months in terms of its absolute failure in maintaining law and order, not just Muzaffarnagar in the recent past, but also Meerut just this last week, where violence erupted despite Section 144 being in place. And even today, we are running a story in Sambhal, in the raping district of Moradabad, there were Samajwadi Party workers who were openly carrying weapons in a Sadbhavna meeting, which was called to promote communal harmony between people.
Yes.
So, law and order to be contained is something that is a state subject, and the police ought to be doing it. And when the police says that there is no guarantee that they can control these communal riots from happening, then obviously it is very difficult for the government to stay in control.
Amir, do stay with me. I believe that we also have the reaction from the man himself who's made this explosive statement, which is now a huge cause for worry.
ये ना हो ऐसी कोई गारंटी कोई नहीं ले सकता। कोई ऐसा नहीं कि दंगे अभी शुरू हुए, दंगे बहुत सालों से हो रहे हैं। दंगे मिनिमाइज होने चाहिए और दंगे ना हो बिल्कुल सही, लेकिन कोई इसकी गारंटी नहीं ले सकता। लेकिन जो सबसे हम अब खुद को प्रोफेशनल बनाएं, अलर्ट रहें और निष्पक्षता से कार्रवाई करें और पब्लिक का सहयोग होना चाहिए।
Congress leader Akhilesh Pratap Singh is also joining us on the phone line. Mr. Singh, thank you so much for speaking with Headlines today. You just heard the UP ADG Law and Order, Mukul Goyal, saying that there is no guarantee that riots will not happen in the state. Would you say that this is just a bizarre justification for the lack of law and order in the state by a top cop?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। ये तो गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी है दंगे कराने की, तो अपनी पॉलिसी का व्याख्यान कर रहे हैं। वो वही बोल रहे हैं जो इस गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी है, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से यूपी में दंगे हुए हैं, 1.5 साल में करीब 250 दंगे हुए हैं, छोटे बड़े मिलाकर के, और जिस तरह से दंगे को प्रश्रय दिया जा रहा है, दंगाइयों को छूट मिल रही है, वो मीटिंगें कर रहे हैं, माहौल खराब कर रहे हैं, तो इससे तो बार बार साबित भी हुआ है और स्थापित भी हुआ है कि ये दंगे कराना चाहते हैं। तो अब उसमें क्या कहा जा सकता है? ये तो सरकार की नीति है। डीजीपी ने, एडिशनल डीजी ने वही बोला है।
But Mr. Singh, wouldn't you want action against the top cop for making a statement as worrying as this? And that also at a time where the situation in the state is extremely sensitive, first with Muzaffarnagar and then with Meerut.
निश्चित रूप से बहुत चिंता का विषय है कि जिस दंगों के ऊपर सरकार का एकदम कठोर रुख और कठोर नीति आनी चाहिए, उस पर इतनी लचर भाषा और लचर नीति की बात करना, ये दंगाइयों को प्रोत्साहित करेगा और जो कानून व्यवस्था बनाए रखने के अधिकारी हैं उनको डिमोरलाइज करेगा, और जो लोग अमन चैन चाहते हैं उनको चिंता, उनके लिए चिंता की बात होगी।
All right, Mr. Akhilesh Pratap Singh, thank you so much for speaking with Headlines today.